So, hello guys, kami ang Group 2 sa HK11 DW1 class. So today, magpa-perform kami ng Hep Hep Hooray. Ready na ba kayo guys?
Yes,
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hep Hep Hooray! Hep Hep Hooray! Hep Hep Hooray! Hooray! Uy! Pag ginagawa mo, tigil mo muna yan. Bumaba na ako makakuha. Yan. I-relax mo yung video. Yan. Okay, stretch natin yan dito. Okay. Hindi lang masakit. Cramps to eh. Pull natin dito. Yan, ang tawag dito ay calf stretch. So, naramdaman mo ba? Yes. Masakit ba? Ano sa pinakamasakit? Dito. Okay, ilaan natin. Mamasage lang natin. Tapos, apply natin ng buti may naka-ready na heat compress. So, i-ready natin. Yan. Ipapress lang natin to dito muna for a few minutes. Yan. Mas feel better ba? Okay? Habang ginagawa ko, uminom ka muna ng tubig. It's important to hydrate while having cramps.
I feel so much better, girl. Thank you so much.
Sige, hawakan mo lang ito. Hawakan mo lang. So guys, remember it's important to always stretch and huwag kang gagawa ng intense activity kapag mainit ang panahon. And always remember to drink water and huwag magpakapuyan kasi kung anong mga panaginip na papanaginipan natin. Yan lang.
Yes. Okay ka na? Okay ka na? Sorry. Sorry.
Sakit.
So, ang concussion po ay nangyayari kapag may sudden
Sino
force na tumatama sa ating ulo. It's either sa forehead o sa gilid o kaya sa mga. Dahan-dahan lang. Kaya mo mag-flat? Dahan-dahan lang. Kaya mo po. Patay mo siya. Para sa mga concussion, ilalagyan siya ng ice pack.
Grabe yung sipa na yun.
At lalagyan siya ng ice pack ng cold compress from 5 minutes at magkakaroon ng rest ng 3 minutes at lalagyan ulit siya ng cold compress ulit for another 5 minutes hanggang mawala yung concussion na nararamdaman mo.
Wala na tayong concussion to.
Mawala na. Ayun.
Thank you. Bakit mo ko sipa? Tinulungan na kita sa cramps mo. Ay, gusto mo na ako.
Sabi, mag-away sa labas. Sabi,
Ano gagawin?
Sa likod.
Sa likod daw.
Okay. Ito yung broken. Ayun ako.
Hello?
Assure mo ako.
Everything's gonna be okay. Like, hindi an end of the world. Promise. In a weeks, in like few weeks max.
Teka, paano yung nakakatulong sa...
Kailangan daw i-assure.
Kailangan i-assure. Okay.
Ayoko ah.
Ay, yung puhan. Ay, sorry.
Ako.
Ikaw pa na.
Yan.
Yung arms mo. Arms mo.
Ay, sorry. Ayan.
Okay, first, to treat a arm fracture, you have to prepare an arm set. Make sure it's folded once so that it won't cover the whole body. And make sure the apex is parallel to the elbow. And you have to fold it. Then make sure to make the square knot as secure as possible. Then, take the apex and twist it para hindi siya masyadong makaabala sa patient. Then make sure to hide it. And that is how you treat an arm fracture.
Huwag mo galaw. Yan ang galaw mo. Huwag mo galaw. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome.
Now we have heat exhaustion. So to assess if someone is having heat exhaustion, we need to see if all these symptoms is appearing. So heavy sweating, cold and clammy skin, muscle cramps, headaches, dizziness, and feeling tired or weak. As you can see, this patient is experiencing all of them and has the possibility to be exhausted due to heat. As soon as I saw that the patient fainted, I went to him and checked for his breathing and consciousness. Once I confirmed that he is unconscious, I fanned them continuously with electric fan and asked someone to call 911. I then removed the things that can hinder me from performing first aid. And then, since he is unconscious but breathing normally, I keep him into a recovery position so that the circulation of blood will continue.
Okay na yun, okay na yun.
My head hurts. I feel dizzy.
Don't get up yet. I will help you. I think you might have a concussion. Can you tell me what's your name?
My name? My name's Ralph.
Wait there, I'll get help. If you start vomiting or you might get sleepy, we might need medical assistance right away.
I'm fine. Thank you for helping me.
Okay.
Ano nangyayari sa'yo?
Para may nosebleed ako.
May nosebleed ka? Okay, bibigyan kita ng first aid. First, ayusin muna yung posisyon mo. Misconception, yung dapat mag-lean ka backwards. First, you should lean forward. Forward, forward.
Forward.
Next, i-press mo yung yung intersection ng bony bridge mo and yung fleshy na part ng nose. Yan. Then you should hold that for 10 minutes and huminga ka muna sa mouth mo. Now, na lumipas na ang 10 minutes, bibigyan ng mga tanong cold compress. Kamusta ka na ngayon?
I'm feeling good. Thank you.
Go.